हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शेफ अजयस किचन। सो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं इंडियाज मोस्ट फेमस स्ट्रीट फूड, दैट इज पाव भाजी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ऐड बटर, देन वी विल ऐड ऑयल, now we will add chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped ginger. We will saute all these things until slightly light brown. Now our onions are ready. As you can see, the light brown color. At this stage, we will add carrots, beans, and grated cauliflower. The choice of vegetables it totally depends on our choice. We can also change the combination of vegetables. Now we will slightly saute the vegetables. Now we will add our spices. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Make sure that the spices don't burn. Now our vegetables are cooked. At this stage we will add mashed potatoes. Now we will mix all the vegetables well. We have roasted our potatoes and all the veggies well. Now we will add tomato puree. I have already prepared a tomato puree. This tomato puree is of 3 tomatoes. We have to add sufficient amount of tomatoes because the bright red color of pav bhaji we will get only with the help of tomatoes. Now we will add a lot of water and let it cook for. The water we have added is almost around 200 ml. Now we will add salt as per our taste and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's almost 20 minutes past and our bhaji is ready. You can see our bhaji is thick and tasty. Now we will keep our bhaji aside, and in the meanwhile we will prepare our buttered pav. Now we will apply sufficient amount of butter on our pav. In Bombay it is also called bun maska. Spread butter evenly with our pav. Now we will cook our pav. Keep it here and just slightly press it. Slightly. Similarly, we will do it again. So keep it and slightly press it like this. You can see our pavs are crispy and really nicely cooked. And it's time to serve our dish. And now we will serve our pav bhaji. We will add butter for garnish. And we will put a coriander like this. Now we will keep our crispy pav like this, and our pav bhaji is ready. अगर आपको मेरी पाव भाजी की रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो तो हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर माय वीडियो और ऐसी ही अमेजिंग रेसिपीज के लिए सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।